Hey, how's it going, Deeks? Just gonna go out and get ready. All the snow's all plowed out of the way. That job's done. Hopefully for the few weeks. Hey, Bo. Just gonna start cleaning out my tents, the snow, and get them boarded in and get the doors on. But I just wanted to give you a quick little peek of the snow's melted off my benches. So here's one of my benches. Hey, it's a carved deer. And then this is a double bench in the V. We got the owl. And an eagle. And my little woodshed. Anyways, head on over, set up, and start cleaning. Getting the snow out of there. Build the door. I don't want no more snow going in on the planer. It's my little woodworking tent. It's a really awesome little shelter. It gives me space. That's it right there. I built it on skids before the snow fell, and there's my barn door that goes on. That's what I'll be putting on today. Get that on and then fill in the tops up there. All right, plywood them in, install the wood stove, and I'll be good to go. It's a pretty big mess right now, but inside my little tent I'll have my planer. This is a 15-inch planer, and then I got my table saw under there, just down in there, you can see. And then I got the bandsaw and a whole bunch of other stuff. But in here I've got a whole bunch of cutting boards left over, a whole bunch more over here, charcuterie boards and whatnot. These are boards for another project, and then I cut these there a couple months ago, and it's all big knotty pine. Right, so I'll be using that for a bunch of stuff. And then here's my sawdust extractor. It's 220. I got 220 power in here. I got another radial arm saw down there, and then my router tables and all the good stuff. Anyways, these are a bunch more charcuterie boards down here on the ground, and these are all the moldings for the inside of my house that I'm working on. Anyways, just a little quick preview. I'll get up to you when I start cleaning. You'll be able to see more. This is my planer. I got a little trap door on the end there so I can run my stuff in here. I move the planer up here when I'm ready to go, and then the little trap door, right, goes out. Okay. Hi, Bo. Anyways, my little Kubota tractor. Got my sawmill over here. I'll be shoveling that out either tomorrow or the next day, and we'll get a bunch of videos of cutting lumber. I got a whole bunch of beams to build. Right. Log piles, logs everywhere. Anyways, I got another tent just over here, and this is more or less my carving tent. I don't got much stuff in it, a couple boards, right, a bunch of mess, but my hydraulic carving table. I got my big sawdust fan over there. But anyways, just to look, it's really good shelter using these tents. You know what I mean? They're cheap, they're affordable, and they work great. Anyways, Well, got it a little bit more cleaned out. Here's some of the wood that I took out of there. Right, all my moldings, corner moldings for inside the house, all barnwood stained. See them? They're all barnwood. Some 1x12s, some 1x10s, 1x8s, 2x8s. Lots of wood. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. Anyways, this is what I'm using to build they're 12 footers to build the door frame to mount the barn door. These are all a bunch of cutting boards I had in there from a few months ago. There's probably 150 of them. Right, just got to sand them and sell them. I do the markets, so the markets are pretty good. Sell quite a few there. Okay, little router table. But anyways, just going to give you a glimpse of the inside here. Now that they got all the wood out. So what I'll be doing is up there where you can see that hole, I'm filling that in, plywooding it over, and then I'll mount my fireplace in this corner right here, and then I'll run all my power through the walls around the pipes and add some boxes, and then I can have my 220 and 110 in here. Right, I got to get a panel box mounted on the wall there, and then I move this planer right here up to the trap door. I'll go show you the trap door. There's the trap door. As you plane them, they go right out. Anyways, just a little glimpse. It's getting a little bit better, but I'll end this and we'll continue on with the building and cleaning, and at the end of the day we'll show you the final product when it's all done. Just building the door frame out right now, just because the door is a little smaller and it wasn't built for this. I'm just using it here. It was built for one of the bedrooms in the house, but got some 2x4s out here. Just gonna cut them up and get them into place. Got the saw, got the compressor. Right, I had to go over there, way over there, and dig them out under the snow. Right, but gotta get this done. So anyways, follow me through. Well, sorry, got to turn that thing on. Hanging the door now. Well, just starting a new day. I got my big stack all covered up with cutting boards. What I didn't film yesterday, because the camera was off, the battery had gone dead, was installing the frame for the door, installing the barn door. Barn doors all on hinges. So now all I'm doing is filling in the top up there, building a frame, and then going from there and plywooding up. So I will put you on the lookout. What you doing? I put everything on 16-inch centers. So I nail my plywood on, everything's good to go. Okay, that's my length. Well, now we're going to go up top.